Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some of the best wallpaper apps that you can get for your iOS 18 device right now. Now, as you know, with iOS 18 we have the ability to customize the home screen icons and place them anywhere you want. That way the wallpaper is really important, because having the right wallpaper means that you can create amazing setups like this one on your home screen. So let's get it started with Wallcraft. Now, Wallcraft is one of my favorites. It offers a ton of different wallpapers that of course allow you to create amazing setups for your home screen. Now, what you will have here is basically the home screen where you can find different wallpapers, just like random wallpapers, and you can switch here to the new wallpapers or to the popular wallpapers as easy as that. Now, right here we'll also find live wallpapers that you can set for the lock screen of your device on iOS 18. That works. And then we have exclusive ones. Now, these are paid. You will have to pay a premium subscription for that, but then you will have also collections right here, so you will be able to find a ton of different wallpapers. Now, again, even though it has some premium wallpapers for which you have to have a subscription, you will still get here a ton of different free wallpapers that you can get for your device. Again, just finding the right wallpaper means that you will be able to create an amazing setup. Like, you can find a wallpaper like this, for example, download it into your device, and once you set it as a wallpaper, you can create that amazing setup. So you can see now that we have changed the wallpaper, how easy it will be to create here a pretty cool setup. We just move a few icons here, we can remove those ones from there, and then with the ability that iOS 18 offers us, we can just go ahead and tap on customize here, tap on large icons, tap on tinted, and there we go. We have just created an amazing setup. As simple as that. With just like 3 or 4 steps, you can create an amazing setup, of course, once you have the right wallpaper. Next up is Wallpapers Central, another one that has been around for a long time, but it's still a great wallpaper app. Now, this is the home screen of the app where you will find different wallpapers that you can download for your iOS 18 device, and right at the top you will also have a search bar, and then you will have here the feed. These are uploads by users that have uploaded them here on Wallpapers Central. Again, you can view any of them, and of course view all the details regarding that wallpaper, save it to your favorites if you want to, or download it to your device. And then you will have live walls right here, and you will have depth wallpapers that you can use for your lock screen to create amazing looks on the lock screen. And you will also have different collections of wallpaper that you can browse here and of course get them for your iOS 18 device. Next up is backdrops. Now, backdrops is also amazing. Right there at the top you will see a few featured wallpapers that you can get for your device. Here we have the trending wallpaper, that's really cool. And then you will have all kinds of different wallpapers right here. You can explore them from here, or you can go to the feed here. Again, just like on Wallpapers Central, we also have here a feed where you will be able to find wallpapers that have been posted by users. And then you will have the search bar right there. If you go here, you will have different packs of wallpapers, so you can see all these cool wallpapers you can get, and then you will have your favorites right there. Now, when it comes to customizing your device and adding wallpapers, Zedge is an old school one, but it offers a ton of different things. Like, you will have wallpapers, you have live wallpapers, you have even like different skins that you can download for your Apple Watch, like this one right here, watch faces actually, so they're pretty cool. So you will have the home here with all the featured wallpapers and all the collections, and then you will have the discover page where you can go to your live photos, you can go to ringtones, or you can go to wallpapers. Now, if you're going for a custom look on your iOS 18 device, I suggest that you always go for things like designs like these ones right here, or like different patterns. They allow you to easier create an amazing setup. Like, you can see these ones right here. We can get something like this, so let's just remove this ad. We can get a wallpaper like this one right here and just place a couple of icons right there and make it look really awesome. Now, again, you can download the wallpaper right here. You can favorite it right there to save it under your favorites. Then right here we'll have the AI section, and then you will have all the things that you have saved and all the things that you have downloaded right here under your Zedge profile. Next one is Clarity. Now with Clarity, you will be able to download a ton of different wallpapers. So it actually works kind of different from other wallpaper apps. You will have like different magazines here, they call them magazines, and you will have here topics, like different topics that you favorite, and you will have the popular wallpaper. So you can see right here, we have the popular ones for 2023. You can find all of them right here. Now going to the search bar, you can go ahead and search for anything you want, or you can just go ahead and see featured wallpapers or best of the year or like free wallpapers. You will have all kinds of different sections from where you can browse the wallpapers and get them for your device. Like these ones right here are pretty cool. So if you want to create, let's say with this wallpaper, a new setup on your home screen, you can just place icons here and here, leave the middle blank right there, and you will have an amazing looking setup. Wallpapers Now is up next. Now this is the home screen of the app, and in this app you'll also get a ton of different wallpapers, and you will also be able to find live wallpapers which you can get for the lock screen of your device. Now these are pretty cool, and with the motion feature of the wallpapers on the lock screen, they look totally amazing. Now right here you will have the home screen. Again, you will find different featured wallpapers. You can go right here to the date to see the hot picks, and then you will have different categories. So you will have depth, you will have the Apple ones, the OLEDs, all kinds of different categories of wallpapers that you can browse and again use for the home screen of your iOS 18 device. Now by looking at these wallpapers, again you can see that once you go with things like OLED wallpapers or depth wallpapers, you will be able to easily create a setup for the home screen of your iOS 18 device. So you can find some really beautiful wallpapers like this one right here, set it up on the home screen, leave it blank, just on the black space right there, put some icons, and they look totally amazing. Next up is a well-known app, Unsplash. Now Unsplash offers a ton of different wallpapers. Now once you open Unsplash, you will see this home screen right here will have a search bar from where you can search for anything you want, or you can go to the wallpapers section right there and just browse around for wallpapers. But if you go to the search section here, you can go with things like abstract, and you will find some really nice looking wallpapers for your home screen. Now again, with this wallpaper app, once you find the wallpaper that you need, you can just go ahead and tap the download button. You're good to go. It has been saved, or if you don't want to save it locally to your device, you can just go ahead and favorite it, and you will have it then right here under your profile in Unsplash. Next up is Stock HD. Now with Stock HD, you will be able to browse and download wallpapers from different devices. So this app basically shows you stock wallpapers from different devices, Apple devices, all kinds of different iOS versions, different devices, and of course even the Android devices. So you can see right here we have the Pixel 9 wallpapers. Going lower here you have like nothing phone wallpapers, and you have a ton of different wallpapers from different devices and different OS versions. So any one you want, you can find them right here. You can go to the trending ones right there, then you can just go ahead and just like find random ones right here, which is pretty cool. And of course all of these will look amazing on the home screen of your iOS 18 device. And last but not least is MiniWall. Again, an amazing wallpaper app for your iOS 18 device. So you will have the home screen right here with some featured wallpapers, and you can go to the random wallpapers right here, and you can see how cool these are. So if you get this wallpaper, for example, you can just place some icons right here at the top, or just on the black space right there and leave this empty. It will look amazing on the home screen of your device. And as you can see, the wallpapers on this app are minimalistic, and they actually are great for creating setups on your home screen. So again, once you want to get a wallpaper, you just have the download button and you're good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button if you did. If you want to download any of these apps, make sure to check out the pinned comment. You will find all the links there. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.